SoftEars has released another dynamic driver earphone. This is a high-end dynamic driver earphone, quite expensive. This is the Twilight. It has the identical shell, the identical twisted shell like the Turii. The Turii came out I think 2 years ago or early last year. It's either 2 years ago or early last year, but it's a while the Turii came out. That Turing model was very expensive, and the same with this Twilight model as well. So it's interesting because when the Turing came out, people didn't like the way the shell was made. I'm surprised they still kept this shell. I'm highly surprised they kept this shell. The shell is made of high quality aviation grade aluminum alloy material. It's of the highest grade. It weighs well. It weighs well. It's not too heavy, but it's still a bit heavy. It's coming with, at least the new Twilight's coming with a 10mm dynamic driver, which I think should be good for most people. And the driver adopts a high quality PU suspension DLC diaphragm dome. Software has specifically customized this dynamic driver that's tuned by their professionals to resolve sound at the highest level. So it is a high resolving earphone in terms of the way it produces sound. So look, it is a top tier earphone for what it is. It isn't cheap. It is $930. I will leave a link to where you can get it. Look, SoftEars make expensive earphones. That's the thing they do. That's the way they've been existing and the way they probably keep on going. The only problem I have with this Twilight is that it's still using the same shell as the Turii. And I remember when the Turii was reviewed, I think a year ago or so, when it was reviewed, people said that they didn't like that shell, that the way it fit wasn't so great. So I don't know. I really don't know. But we shall see. Really, we shall see. We shall see how this one performs, whether people will like the tuning. Look, it looks quite nice. It looks premium, but the shell could have been better. So look, I'll drop details in the description if you want to check it out with where you can purchase it. If you like this content, subscribe to the channel, like our content. I'll see everybody very much next time.